Okay, what do I do with my faux handmade paper? This one's made with crushing up the backs of, let's see, the backings of napkins, you know, wetting it down and then scooshing it, scooshing it with a towel, and you can see the texture of the towel in there, which is really cool. The other thing I added in there were spices like parsley and some flakes of various kind. I did reinforce the top part and the bottom part with a thin piece of deli paper because I knew that would get a lot of wear. And then I like the little rough edges, so I didn't do anything with those. And this is a gold glue, but you can see it's shiny on one side. And then I have all of these accordion pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I stamped those with one of my favorite little stamps just to add more interest. But I think it's 6. 1, 2, 3, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 pockets in here. Haven't put anything in there yet, but I have found that if you move the piece back and forth, it's easier to get the closure. I think I may do something with that closure. I think it's just, I don't know, maybe I need to darken it or something. It's not quite appealing to me. But anyway, that's what I'm doing today.